Okay, so now using the hardware that I got from Jayco and the door and a couple little felt pads to stop it from banging, I used the trim piece that I took off of here, cut it in half, put the hinges on, and same thing down here. And now when you close the door, this is what you end up with. Much cleaner, much nicer, and Jayco says you're not supposed to be able to do this, but it works. You just got to order the parts. We're not worried about these spaces down here because there's not a lot down there that you really want to store anyway, except, you know, toiletries. But I think it turned out pretty nice. Now there is a access panel here, but I have a few hangers that we're going to use for towels, and we're going to hang a picture over that to cover it. But again, it is doable. You can put a door over your in your bathroom.